Hello everybody, hello, I'm Jewel, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone had a terrific Thanksgiving holiday. Today we're going to talk about something that as a dialysis patient and a transplant patient, I'm sure you hear quite often. Do you have an advance directive? Today we're going to talk about what that really is, and this information is coming from the National Kidney Foundation. This is probably going to be a two-part video, so guys, here we go. Today's medical advances have made it possible for people with chronic illnesses to have successful treatment, improving life expectancy and quality of life. However, life-saving advances sometimes mean watching someone you love being kept alive when you are not sure what is or her choice would have been about the treatment being given. Often doctors and families are asked to make difficult decisions about treatment decisions. In some cases, the courts have been called on to make these decisions. Many decisions can be made by patients and their families before a medical crisis occurs. Patients with kidney disease might consider preparing a legal document to guide loved ones, doctors, and other health professionals in providing treatment in a time of crisis. The Patient Self-Determination Act, in effect since 1991, gives adults with the capacity to make medical decisions for themselves the right to make decisions today about healthcare treatment they would like to receive in the future. If they could not communicate what they want at the time, the law requires that hospitals, nursing homes, and other health agencies give all patients information about their rights to have legal documents called an Advance Directive. Dialysis units are not legally required to give you this information, but the National Kidney Foundation and many dialysis units believe dialysis patients should know about the rights to make an Advance Directive. What is an Advance Directive? An Advance Directive is a legal paper that tells doctors and healthcare providers how you want them to carry out medical decisions you make for future crisis care, even if you cannot communicate these decisions for yourself. If you have an Advance Directive in your medical records, your doctor and other health professionals providers can take care of you based on your wishes as stated in the Advance Directive. There are two basic kinds of Advance Directives. One, a durable power of attorney for healthcare decisions, or a healthcare proxy, allows you to name someone, such as a husband, wife, daughter, son, or close friend, to act on your behalf if you are unable to make medical decisions for yourself. It is important to ask this person if he or she is willing to act as your agent and to talk about what treatments you would want and those you would not want, as well as your short-term goals and values. A living will. A living will tells your doctor or healthcare provider in writing what type of medical care you want or do not want if you should become unable to make these decisions for yourself or unable to communicate them. Your state laws may allow you to have both a living will and a durable power of attorney, or to combine both of them in a single form. You may want to speak to a lawyer or contact your state or local bar association about your state's laws concerning advance directives. Your social worker or other healthcare professionals can provide assistance. Could a family or friend just decide for me without an advance directive? Laws are strict about this. Hospitals and other healthcare providers usually will not let a friend decide unless he or she is named in an advance directive. Without an advance directive, your family may have to go to court to have your treatment stopped. Here is the typical legal order of potential decision makers if there is no advance directive in place. Legal guardian, spouse, an adult son or daughter, a parent, an adult sibling or adult grandchild or an adult relative or close friend who is in close contact with the family and is familiar with the patient's activities, health, and religious moral beliefs. And lastly, the guardian of the state. Okay, guys, we're going to stop right here on this video, and we're going to take up the rest of this information on the next video. But before I close, I just want to say to all of you guys, we are thinking about you. We are sending you so many great thoughts, and hoping all of you know that there are so many people working behind the scenes to help to help you get better, and to just help you understand that this too shall pass. So all I ask you guys is to still, no matter what you read, stay positive, stay compliant to your doctors, and always know that this too shall pass one day. So guys, just know that you are not alone in this situation. There's been hundreds and thousands of us that have went through the same thing that you're going through right now if you're on dialysis. So know that you are not alone, and I will see you guys on the next video. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.